Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to tackle an interesting problem that you might encounter when working with C++ development. The problem we'll be diving into involves creating a tuple of types in earlier C++ versions without the luxury of using pack indexing. So, if you've ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to deal with this type of problem, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Let's talk about the solution to our problem. By using std, tuple_element, we can work around the limitations of pack indexing and achieve the same functionality in older C++ versions. The code snippet we're focusing on is a template struct called type_tuple. Inside this struct, there is a templated alias called get that accesses the type at a specific index within a tuple of types. This elegantly solves the problem in hand and gives us the flexibility we need to work with type tuples effectively. So, with this solution in hand, you can confidently navigate the world of C++ development with ease. In summary, we explored a clever solution to the problem of creating a tuple of types in earlier C++ versions. By using std, tuple_element, we were able to overcome the limitations and replicate the pack indexing functionality effectively. I hope you found this video helpful and that you can now approach similar challenges with confidence. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy coding!